What is up, boys? We got some more work to do today. So yesterday I went ahead and got the left side of my car done. I have camber arms that I need to install and then toe arms that I need to install. And so these are the old ones that I just pulled off. And look, non-adjustable, boys. Since I lowered my car, I gotta have some adjustment because my tires were so unaligned. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. It's pretty quick. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it so you can do it yourself. And that's it. So let's go. All right, so let me show you what we're working with here. Take this. First of all, look at those tires. Look how bad those tires are. I was cording. Whatever. All right, so what I'm gonna be replacing is this top camber arm. Not too difficult. A bolt up there, a bolt down here, and I'm gonna be replacing this one down here, which is just a bolt back there and a bolt up front too. Not that bad. All right, so hopefully I can get some shots where you can actually see what I'm doing. It's a little difficult, but yeah, let's do it. All right, so now after you've taken this off and you have your other camber arm, which is right here. If you're doing this by yourself, you want to make sure it's somewhat aligned before you take it to your shop. You're going to need an alignment right after this, but you want to make sure it's somewhat aligned. And so right now, as you can see, they're not equal. So what we're gonna do here is put the bolt through, put this one on top, and then you're gonna adjust it until it's the same exact length. Perfect. And then after you do that, whoop, you have these two locking bolts, so you can screw these down, and whenever you do that, you're gonna tighten it in place so it doesn't move anywhere. So go do that on that one, and then this on this one. Just about until it looks good. And so when you put these in, you're not gonna be able to tighten the back one once it's like deep inside the car. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten this one pretty tight, and then once we have this one on, just so we can have a little bit of flexibility whenever we're putting it in, we're gonna leave it loose and then tighten it up, and we're good to go, babies. All right, so we got that camber arm in. Ooh, look at that bad boy. All we gotta do is replace this back one, and we should be good, man. All right, now once you got both of those off, you're gonna do the same process, putting these through, making sure this boy fits on there, and yeah, that's it. All right, boys, that's how you save 200 bucks right there. That's how much the shop was gonna charge me if I was gonna have them do it. They were like, oh yeah, estimated labor is gonna be around $200. And I was like, nah, fam. So we did it. That's all you had to do. It was just those 4 bolts for both the tow arm and the camber arm. Like I said, like the only reason I needed to do this is because I lowered my car and it messed up my alignment. So yeah. Oh, let me show you guys my new tires because I got some good ones. These are them. This is what I'm going to be installing today. And before I install them, I'm definitely going to burn up my old ones. Look at these. I got the Michelin Pilot Sports. Oh. Look how good they look, man. They're so meaty. They're so meaty. So, definitely looking forward to putting these on today. I'm gonna throw my tires on, and then, yeah, we're gonna go get them installed. Alrighty, so before I go put on my tires, I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that my old tires are definitely bald. I mean, not too bad. They're definitely burned, and if I go any further, they're gonna blow up and destroy my wide body kit. So I'm not gonna do that. Definitely left some good tire marks all down the road too. So, I mean, just marking my territory, right? All right, so let's go into town. I'm gonna slap on the new tires, get a new alignment, and my car is finally good. And I'll check in with you guys after all that's done. See ya.